Now, let's move on to the face. Facial guasha is built upon the acupressure points, which I showed in my previous video. Let's begin with the forehead. Use the longer side of this tool for vertical scraping. After 20 seconds, switch to horizontal scraping. This technique can help reduce forehead wrinkles and lift the skin on the forehead. Don't worry, facial guasha won't make your face turn red or cause redness. Next, let's move down to our eyebrows. Remember, there are 3 important acupressure points on our eyebrows. Now, let's use the hump side to massage all of them. Place the eyebrows in this hump area. It fits perfectly. Then, move from the front to the end. Repeat it 10 times on each side, and you will feel completely relaxed around your eyes. You can also use the small head of the guasha tool to perform the same massage. Let's move to the chin-chi point, an important point for reducing eye bags. We will also use the hump side to place it below your eyes. Move from the Jingming point towards the end of your eyebrow. Repeat this skin lifting process 10 times on each side, and repeat it 2 to 3 times. This method can effectively reduce eye bags, dark circles, and sagging. Now, we need to use the long side of this tool for face lifting. You can see that this side is perfect size for your face. When we perform the scraping, we should move upwards to lift your face. At the end, you can use this tool to press your temple for 2 to 3 seconds. In this area, there are 3 important beauty pressure points. By scraping this area, you can effectively enhance blood circulation, lift your face, and prevent nasolabial lines and marionette lines. Let's move down to our chins and jaws. It appears that the hump side of this tool was designed to fit our chin. See? It's a perfect match. Now, let's move from our chin all the way towards the earlobe. Repeat this 10 times on each side, and repeat it 3 to 4 times.